Hi friends, I hope you did quite well. Today I have a hand sanitizer mockup. These are for file or Photoshop, and first I show you this bow. Just change a pipe and cap. Okay, so drag this file on Photoshop. You see here in layer area adjustment, master adjustment, you can change shadows, color, brightness. Here is bottle label, you see here, and your design is here. I have no design this time, so I changed write my channel name. Sheri. Drag in here. Oh, Sheri escape. Right. Control S for saving. And you see here my name, and third option is cap color. You can change cap color red. Depend on your head design here. Hair color and cap color are same, then your look, your sanitizer mockup look is better. Second is background color. You can change background color. Wow, just you can apply gradients overlay. Wow, so I change cap color like this color. Okay, I close this file and open here this file. You know better. Change color, change logo, change background. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Love.